Hey dude, today I'm doing the only skybase challenge where I can only go into the skybase and loot there. If there's like no loot there, then I had to use a pickaxe only. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's have a load in. So we're in it right now, okay? So see, I just have to go in. I have to go in. So the one I'm gonna be landing at today is gonna be right here, and I have to go over here, or over here, over here and stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's over here now. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna go to this one over here. Oh, it might be van mission. Okay. Ah. No. Okay, let's go next to round 2. Ah. Okay, so yeah. Let's do this. Let's just make it like only vending machine challenge. Who cares? Only vending machine. Yeah, okay, let's do only vending machine challenge. The vending machine down here, at least is gonna hope there is. But I could get one chest, but that's all I guess. I don't know. Let me see. I could get one chest. One chest. Oh no. See, drum gun, okay. You gotta be kidding. What's gonna be in the chest? Yeah, I can only get the loot out of the chest, so I can only get loot out of it though. I'm only gonna get like the ammo out of it though. Oh, what is it? AK. If y'all know hack, look at this. See, on the front of the ship, you could get so many masks. Oh wait, somebody did broke. Alright, somebody already broke this ship. Dude, they need to fix that glitch though. You're not able to see the traps though. That's stupid. You're not even able to see the traps. Well, I died.